She said, honey, it's rusty and missing a door. The engine's in boxes all over the floor. He said, don't you see what a gem this has been? It's a one-on-one car with the right kind of VIN. He bought it for the VIN, not the way it drives. The paint's all faded, but the pedigree thrives. He'll spend 10 grand to save a bolt with a stamp, then tell the whole world it's a survivor camp. A rolling disaster, depends who you ask, but it's got a build sheet in the glove box stash. Oh, he bought it for the VIN, that factory tags his sin. Torn, it smells like a swamp. A mouse made a condo inside the old trunk. The neighbors all whisper, what's he thinking again? But he's out back grinning, decoding the VIN. He don't need AC, he don't need tunes, as long as it left the plant in June. Bought it for the VIN, not the paint or chrome. Said this one's rarer than a dinosaur bone. He's got NCRS dreams and concourse pride, even if it barely runs or drives. It's a basket case with a history thin. But hey, look at that VIN. Bought it for the VIN, not the joy of the ride, not the throaty rumble or the way it slides. He'll trailer it round just to prove it's right, and quote the trim tag every Friday night. Yeah, it leaks and it rattles, but he'll still grin, 'cause he bought it for the VIN. Original smog pump, check. September 69 radiator core, oh yeah. Wrong tire valve caps, not on my watch.